Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Blink Video Doorbell Certified Refurbished by Amazon. Here's everything that comes in the box. Let's take a look. Okay, so here's the actual doorbell. There is a piece of plastic. We're going to take that off, and there's also another piece of plastic we got to get off. Kind of come around to the bottom and we can peel it off. There's a spot where you can peel it off. It's very important to get all this plastic off. Okay, all the plastic is off. This is the doorbell button. There's the video camera. It has a microphone also. Now this can be powered up by your household wiring. If you have an old doorbell that has that wiring that goes here, that's what these adapters are for. Put those on there and you can connect it, but you don't have to do that. You can use the batteries that come with it. It comes with these ultimate lithium batteries, AA batteries. We're going to put them in. These really stand up to temperature, so when it's really cold outside, they work. Once we put the batteries in, there's a little door here. Now we can put this over the battery compartment. Now here's the mounting bracket. We're going to take this piece off too. Now that little piece of plastic, if you are going to connect it to the household doorbell that was there, minimum is 16 volts AC, 10 volt amps for power, or maximum 24 volts AC. Okay, let's talk about mounting it now. See how it says the word up? And you got some screws here that you can use to mount it. So you're going to have to mount this. It does have, there's a seal here. Now once you've got this mounted to your house, you make sure you got the arrow pointed up. That little hook's going to slide in up there. Then it's going to push on the doorbell. Okay, let's try that again. Push this, that's going to go on the top. Then you should be able to snap that onto place. Now the video doorbell. This is the key. When you need to see the little gray thing right there, you got to press that and the video doorbell will come right off. There. Otherwise you can't get it off. This is a template so that the holes line up. If you want to put this on your house and drill the holes, the 3 holes, they do have the hardware also. And again, when somebody presses the doorbell, it's going to activate the video camera and the microphone. Okay, 5 1/4 inches left to right, about 1 5/8. It's going to stick out from the wall 1 inch, but we do have this bracket. Let's measure it with the bracket now. Yeah, it's tricky. Well, if that, maybe you have to push that, yeah, push that little gray thing there, and it does go on a lot easier that way. Now let's measure 1 1/4 sticks out. Holes 3 inches apart and about 1 3/4, and that's where that opening is. Comes down about 1 inch to 2 inches. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.